Now, on this page is where you're going to edit and upload assignments. Now, if you happen to have closed this page, all you have to do is return back to your sites and click on your site to open it. It'll open this first page in a new tab. Up here at the top, you're going to notice that there is an icon that says Edit Page. It looks like a pencil. Click on that pencil. Here you have some tools that help you format text, making it look a certain way, and you'll learn more about those later. For now, though, this is what you need to do. Right here, this is going to be like the headline of your page. So I would like you to type in first 9 weeks, because we're going to wind up having one page for each grading period of the year. Right here is where you're going to put a summary in your own words about each of the assignments. So the first assignment that you are going to be uploading is going to be your photography scavenger hunt, the finished file that you put all the photos into the PDF. So you can go about just typing it in, and you can put in something like photography scavenger hunt and hit enter, and then you can say something about what you learned in this lesson. I learned about, I don't know, aperture, ISO, shutter speed on the cameras. More importantly, learned about composition, such as the rule of thirds, whoops, and whatever else that you want to put in there. And that's just an example, but you just want to put in a couple of sentences about what you do, okay? Then, after you're done, you can put, or with your done with your summary, that's where you can put in your text that you want to click on. So I would like you to, right here, is then you would say, click on assignments. Okay? Now, what we need to do now is go back to our Google Drive. And your Google Drive is where you upload files. So I'm going to ask you to click on this little button to upload and click on File. You are going to need to navigate. I'm not on a school computer right now, so you're going to have to navigate through your files that are in your folder in schools and find your photography scavenger hunt. Here's mine right here. And click open. You can see it's uploading it right there. Now, after the upload is complete, notice this little button here that says share. I'm going to click on it. Here, it gives me the link to this file, okay? But before I copy that link, I want to do this. Notice here where it says who has access? I need for you to click change. We want anyone with the link to have access. That means that when you turn it in, I'll be able to view it. If you left it as private, I wouldn't be able to view it. And then hit save. Now, copy that link. You can use the keyboard shortcut Command C. You can also Control click and choose copy, or you can go to the file menu and choose copy. Here I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to go back onto my page, and I'm going to highlight that whole text that says click on assignment. Now, up here in our formatting, there is a little chain link. If you hover over it, it says Add or Remove Link. Click on it. And we want to use a web address. And the web address we're going to put down here in this second box where it says link to this URL. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to use paste is Command V as in violin, or you can do the same thing and do a control click or a file paste. Up here where it says text to display, this is just the text that we highlighted. Then you have down here the option of whether you want to open this in a new window or not. I'm going to say that yes, we want to open this link in a new window, and then click OK. Now, at this point, this is all that you have to do for this particular assignment. What we have to do now is hit save, and then we can come over here to the gear shift, and we can choose to preview page as viewer. That means that this will be viewed as a website. This is what it looks like. Then click here and it takes you to the photography scavenger hunt. Okay. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this window here. And for each of your assignments, we are going to upload. Don't worry about editing text because you are going to format that later on when we design the entire website.